so this one's for Nick. Told you guys if you want a closer look at a certain booth or a certain product, you can post it over on SVTPerformance, and I will try to get it for you. Nick requested he wanted to see MME, and just have me take a look and see, you know, their products or air actuated gear shifts, things like that, and just kind of what my opinion is on it. And it looks like it's really high quality stuff. This is kind of out of my wheelhouse as far as the technology or how it works or anything like that. But it does look very well made. I can at least say that. Good looking built aluminum construction, well integrated into the shifters, things like that. So that's basically my take on it. I can't tell you much more than that. The products look, they look good. Like this is all very, very nicely made, high quality looking stuff. Of course, a lot of options on shifters, things like that. Different valve blocks, then your actuators, of course, standard actuator integrated with valves. So basically take that and that, turn it into this, so all in one. And I do like the little carbon fiber flappy paddles. It's kind of neat stuff. They definitely seem like they're pretty popular. They've got a little bit of a crowd here. They must be doing something right. But if you guys want to get a closer look at any other booth here at PRI, just post over on SVTPerformance.com. I'll have the link in the description. And if you can give me a booth number, that really, really helps. If you can only do a name, I'll do my best. But if you give me a booth number, Nick gave me the actual booth number where this place was, so it made it really easy for me. I'll try to shoot a video and show you what you want to see.